You all can have a seat. Back on the record, Mr. Tisdale's present, all counsel are present, the jury's not. Sorry for the delay, we were waiting on one of them to come, but I understand they're all here now, so. Okay. All right, when I read the agreed upon portions of the procedure documents, I'll read, just so y'all know, Exhibit 2 first and Exhibit 3. Okay, the defense is ready to have him come in, and we'll publish Exhibit 21. State ready to have him come in?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Judge, in light of the fact that you've been regularly waiting on a juror or two, could we tell him 8:30 tomorrow so we could be ready to go at 8:45?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all for bearing with us. You can go ahead and have a seat. Folks, I apologize for the mix-up this morning, having you all come in and then sending you away. Some issues came up I had to resolve. It was going to take a little bit, and I didn't want you all cooped up back there in your little room. We did do some things that are going to save us some time in the long run, so we weren't in here just goofing off or anything. So I apologize for the delay. Please don't hold it against the state or the defense. Hold it against me. It's my obligation to make sure things move along here as smoothly as possible. So I apologize for the delay. All right, understand the defense wishes to publish State's Exhibit 21.
Yes, sir, with the court's permission.
Yes, sir. Folks, we're going to publish you State's Exhibit 21. If you want to give it to Yvonne there, I'll hand it to him. Like the other exhibits that have been admitted to evidence, you'll be able to look at it as long as you wish. When you're tired to deliberate, we'll go ahead and hand it to you now. That's right. Take a few minutes, take a look at it, and just pass it down to your right and then to your left, depending on which way you go. Members of the jury, the evidence that you are about to receive regarding policies and procedures of the St. Lucie County Sheriff's Office should be considered by you only in weighing the credibility of a witness's testimony and not for any other purpose. Notification of pursuit and officer responsibility. When a deputy initiates an active pursuit, he or she will immediately activate all emergency equipment, make radio contact with the dispatcher, and communicate the following information: unit identification or call sign, exact location and direction of travel, pursued vehicle description, year, make, model, and color if known, tag number and state if known, number of occupants in pursued vehicle with race, sex, and age if possible, and reason for pursuing the vehicle. Regarding traffic stops, radio communications. Prior to initiating the vehicle stop, the deputy will advise communications of the exact location of the stop, the license number of the vehicle, vehicle description, and number and brief description of the occupants. Regarding initiating the stop. When initiating a traffic stop, the deputy will make appropriate use of emergency lights and or siren to make his or her presence known and to signal the driver to stop. Regarding positioning of the vehicle, whenever possible, the patrol unit will be stopped in approximately 10 to 15 feet behind the subject vehicle and offset to the left approximately 3 feet. Does defense wish to make an announcement?
Defense of Eriese Tisdale rests.
State have any rebuttal testimony you all wish to present?
No, sir.
Members of the jury, this closes the evidentiary portion of the trial. The next step or procedure in the trial is let the lawyers present their closing argument to you. To do that, I'm going to have you all come back at 8:30 tomorrow morning. If you'll please make sure everybody's here by 8:30. As soon as everybody's here, we'll have you all come in and let the state present their closing argument to you, followed by the defense and then the state, and I'll instruct you on the procedure in the morning. So thank you all very much for your attention. If you'll please not discuss the case among yourselves, allow anyone to discuss it in your presence or fix any opinions as to the merits of the case. Also, please do not read or listen to any media accounts until after your deliberations are finished, and please don't visit any of the places described in the evidence. So if y'all will please be here at 8:30 tomorrow. As soon as everybody's here, I'll have one of the officers bring y'all up, and we'll proceed to close an argument. You can leave your notepads there. They'll be there for you when you come back tomorrow. The jury's been excused. Let me just deal with the one fleeing and eluding issue under one instruction. Just a minute. In the proposed instructions, towards the end of the first-degree premeditated murder instruction, the state had included fleeing to elude a law enforcement officer language. The defense objects to that being included. I'll agree to, well, let me say this. I'll sustain the defense objection. We'll ask that that not be included at that point, as it's not alleged in the indictment. That language is not alleged in the indictment, and at least the posture of the case so far is the defense has not argued that Sergeant Morales was not in the lawful performance of a legal duty, at least to date. If the defense makes argument to the jury to that effect, that I may reconsider and give that instruction, but in considering it now, I'll agree to sustain the defense objection, and if the state will take out that language after premeditated first-degree murder, please. All right, we'll take a look at it tomorrow. I know y'all are getting hungry and tired. So. Okay, thank you all very much. If you'll be here at 8:30, we'll present closing argument. Okay, thank you all very much. We'll be in recess till tomorrow at 8:30.